Here's a few tips on how to use LinkedIn to find your next job. First, start by optimizing your profile. Include a nice profile photo and cover photo. Use attractive photos and wear a smile. One thing you should know, you can change your LinkedIn profile URL to something other than Matthew A123. You might be able to change it to your name or your name dash skill, like Matthew Adams dash marketing manager or Matthew Adams dash MBA. You can always change it at a later time to something else that's available. Now let's go to your profile headline. Your headline should say what you do and what you're looking for, not just your job title. And make your headline stand out. For instance, if you're a customer service representative, you could make your headline say, "I make customer service look easy." Or your headline could say, "Skilled CSR, BA in business, 7 years of experience." Next, complete your About section. Explain your strengths, the problems you solve, and the kind of role you want next. Leave out anything that's fluff or that you're concerned about being on your profile. Make sure your education and employment information are as accurate as possible. Use the important terms in your employment information and the rest of your LinkedIn profile that will push you higher in the LinkedIn job search algorithm. Make sure your profile looks professional and organized. If you're more of a creative person, add some style touches. But use your LinkedIn profile to show off who you are and what you know. This is also very important. Make sure the skills you select for each position and in general match the types of positions and work you're looking for. Recruiters search by keywords, so your profile needs to include the words they use when searching for candidates. Here's another thing to try. Turn on the LinkedIn Open to Work profile setting. It will overlay an open to work image on part of your profile photo. This signals to recruiters that you're available. If you're concerned about your present employer potentially seeing that you're open to work, don't use the setting. Let's now talk about searching for jobs. Go to the Jobs tab and search for roles using titles, skills, and locations. Save your searches so LinkedIn notifies you when new roles appear. And make sure to apply early to a job that comes up that you might be interested in. The fact is that job applications on LinkedIn are far more likely to be seen in the first 24 hours after they're posted. If you want to apply for a job, check who works at the companies you're targeting. Follow the company, check mutual connections, and message people who work in similar roles who are potential hiring managers or personnel managers, and also some of the executives. You're looking to make friends, expand your network, and find a job. Don't be shy. When you message someone, keep it simple, professional, and friendly. Introduce yourself, mention something specific about the company, and ask for some advice. You can also use connections and messages to reach out to people to ask them if they might have an opening or to see if they know anyone who can help you. The thing you want to do is build trust and relationships, because someone who might not have a position now might have one later and remember you as a potential candidate. If you want to post on LinkedIn to increase your visibility, only post 1 to 3 times a week. Make your posts professional. Spell everything correctly. Use correct grammar. Make sure any links you post actually work. And avoid controversial or political subjects. You might want to share a quick insight, a project you completed, or an article you found useful. Don't be shy, but don't be sloppy or obnoxious, because posting activity can boost your visibility and get you noticed by a recruiter searching for candidates. Finally, stay consistent. Work at it. A strong profile, active engagement, focused networking, and timely applications work together. So use LinkedIn with intention when you're looking for a job. Let the platform bring opportunities to you. Search yourself for companies and positions that are fit. Apply for jobs you like quickly and professionally. And make contacts and connections with people in a position to help you, give you advice, or potentially hire you. Now, go get that job.